Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can hide the Snapchat story. To learn how you can hide the story, you need to watch the video till the very end. Now let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat, go to your profile. There's add to my story, and just beside that there's a three-dotted horizontal line. You tap on that. You can see the option popped up. Here you tap on story settings. Now here you can see the option of who can view my story. Now there's three options available, that is everyone, friends only, custom. If you tap on everyone on your Snapchat will be able to see your story, Snapchat story. If you tap on friends only the friends that you have added will be able to see your story. But if you tap on custom, you can choose the option. You can choose from the list of friends whom you want to see the story or whom you want to block it from seeing your story. If you choose the person and tap on block, they won't be able to view your story anymore. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can hide the Snapchat story. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.